here we are again for another weekend vlog. It's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon, Friday, May 26th. It is Memorial Day weekend this weekend. I'm just working on importing some footage. I have to say, I have to get on a little better of a routine of editing. I haven't quite found a good way for me to get motivated after work to do this stuff. And then on Fridays, I do have Fridays off, so there's really no excuse. So I try to get a lot of editing done on Fridays, but sometimes it just doesn't happen. So it's really the main snafu I run into with a lot of this stuff. I'm just working on my computer now, but I think I am going to go to the gym. If it's empty enough, I'll try to get a little bit of footage of my workout. Today I have a pull day. Amanda, and coincidentally my parents, do get home from Alabama today. I will be going to the airport late tonight to pick them up. Amanda's pretty excited to be home, so we plan on getting up pretty early tomorrow, hitting the grocery store for a few things, and then heading straight up to the lake. I was looking at the weather forecast. It kind of sucks for tomorrow, so we might be stuck inside the fifth wheel tomorrow because it looks like temperature's okay. It'll be in the high 60s, but it looks like there'll be quite a bit of rain tomorrow. So we'll come up with some indoor activities that we can do tomorrow for sure, and just go enjoy being somewhat outdoors. But just to change the scenery, just to be away from town and just in a place where all of us really associate relaxation. All of my family and I do have Monday off this week, so I will include Monday in my weekend vlog, so you'll get to follow me along and see what we do on Monday as well. So this vlog will be a little longer, hopefully not too long, but it should be a weekend full of lots of fun. The gym was too busy for me to want to film him, so I've been to the gym and then I was hungry, so I decided to make some food. So this will probably count as my dinner, maybe. I might have one more meal today. I didn't have a chance to make this week, but I finally made that chicken gyro bowl. So essentially what it is, a little bit of hummus smeared on the side of the bowl here. There is couscous in the bottom of this. The salad has those grape tomatoes, cucumber, and some of the sliced up shallot in it. Chicken, and then topped with a feta, like a feta sauce that I just used lemon zest, that Greek yogurt, and then feta, and drizzled it on the top. I love feta cheese, so I put a little more feta on top of this, and then just topped it up with a little more dill, and I'll squeeze a lemon over the top. I have a couple errands to run. I'm gonna eat this, shower, and freshen up a little bit, and then I will run my errands. Just like that, we're back from shopping. I did absolutely nothing with my hair and have put no makeup on today, but that's okay, we're going with it. I don't think I told you guys, but we have two puppies here with us. Millie. Millie. Hi. So Amelia, and Penelope. We're babysitting, huh? You guys been hanging out with us this week. Puppies. Mom and Dad come home tonight, don't they, huh? And so does Amanda. You haven't seen Amanda in a while. Yeah. Huh. So we're only like 2 hours away from them coming home. We live in a small town, so all of our planes come in at an ungodly hour. It's currently 8:30 and their flight comes in at 10:30, so I'll be up at the airport at 10:30 and they'll most likely get off the plane pretty quickly. But I did need to go out and get a few things for this weekend, so I figured rather than just the time lapse of me shopping, and I would just show you what I've got. It's been a pretty busy day. I've been doing laundry and cleaning and then trying to gather some things to be ready to go. Amanda wanted me to wait to go grocery shopping, like officially grocery shopping, until tomorrow morning so that she can go with me. So I'll be in charge of a breakfast option for this weekend by the sounds of it. So I stopped and got a few essentials for this weekend that I'll need. First thing I just needed to pick up some more blade replacements for my razor. I just use a Hydro Silk razor. This one isn't for this weekend, but we did need replacements of our Grove & Co. multi-purpose cleaner. I got this one, it's the Island Orchid multi-purpose cleaner. I hadn't seen this one before, so I went ahead and picked it up. We definitely needed to replace our sunscreen because I'm sure the SPF in the sunscreen we have now is expired. The sunscreen that I like is the CeraVe Hydrating Mineral Sunscreen. This one's in an SPF 50. This one uses titanium dioxide and zinc oxide, so it uses physical blockers rather than chemical blockers, if that matters to anybody. I also restocked on my CeraVe Hydrating Mineral Sunscreen. This one is made for your face and it is tinted. This is like my favorite go-to tinted sunscreen. This is the one that I wear every day. I'll put it underneath my makeup, has an SPF of 30 and just a very sheer tint. Again, this one uses physical blockers rather than chemical blockers, if that matters to anybody out there. I really wanted to pick up some new jewelry. I've been out of earrings for a while, so I haven't been wearing earrings for a while. So I picked up just a little necklace that I liked. This one's a double little set. It's got one that's more of just a chain and then one that is a chain with kind of just like a little white detail on it. And I just got a simple little 3-pack of some stud earrings as well. And this last one is a little bit of an impulse buy. Up from the little dollar section there, I picked up a couple of these. They have these little popsicle molds up there. Again, probably something that I won't utilize this weekend. It might be cool to try to come up with like some popsicle recipes that we can use throughout the summer. I do like the idea of like being able to make your own stuff at home, because that way you can really control what goes into your popsicles and your treats. And these things are really cool. They're made out of, they're almost kind of like a silicone-y material. They come in these little 2-packs and I got them in both the 2-packs that I saw available. I got the bigger sizes. I did notice that they have little smaller ones, so ones that are probably like about, I don't know, probably half the size of these ones as well, if you guys are interested in them. But there's 2 packs, a pink and white one, and then this one says stay cool and brain freeze. And the other pack says fun in the sun and yummy. And that's like a green and yellow pack. They were only $3 each, so I thought it was a good deal. And like I said, I think it'll be fun to come up with some of my own popsicle recipes this summer. And that's actually all I got from Target. I'll take you guys along with me. I've got about an hour and a half still before I need to go to the airport. This will be my first time seeing my sister Amanda in about 2 months. She's been in Alabama, so super excited to see her. I will see you guys in a few hours. Status update. It's flipping dark. This video quality is gonna be horrible. I just got to the airport, and as I was driving up here on the highway, I saw their plane fly over me. So I'm a little bit late, I think, but on time according to the itinerary. Their plane is here. I am tired. It is way past my bedtime. Cars are lining up. I parked in short-term parking so I can go in there and see them. Let's head up to the, well, as far as I can get to the exit for the gates, and we'll go see them. I'm back home. Amanda bought me a Frosty, so I'm gonna eat this. It is, oh my gosh, it is 11:49. I have been gone for over an hour. I've been gone for over an hour. David's having a sandwich. I'm gonna have my Frosty, and then we're going to bed. I don't know how early we're gonna get up tomorrow, but we shall try. We will see you tomorrow. Good morning. It is Saturday, May 27th. Can someone help me with my issue? Because believe it or not, I actually curled my hair this morning. And it's just all gone. See this? Where? Where did I curl my hair at all? I am on my way to get Amanda. I don't know if you can hear it on the windshield, but it's a very rainy and dreary day today. I think it's supposed to be like that all day, so it'll be interesting to kind of find things to keep us occupied at the lake, but we'll do it. We're gonna go grocery shopping, and then she wants to go get breakfast somewhere. We'll probably try to wake up David for that. It's about 8 a.m. David just can't wake up. The plan is grocery shopping. Oh my goodness, this light is broken. I am gonna turn right. I am not going to try to make it across that intersection with it. It's a very busy intersection, and one way has flashing yellow and the other one was flashing red. Which sucks because that was the bridge I needed to go across. Well, we'll go to the next bridge. So yeah, the plan is grocery shopping, something for breakfast, and then we'll probably make sure we're ready to head out of here for the weekend. We're pretty lucky because even though it's raining, like I said, we have a fifth wheel to hang out in. So we'll typically take some movies, card games, board games. I think we might even try to take the Switch up there this weekend just to keep us entertained. While I'm here, she just put a styrofoam cooler full of stuff in my car. And then went back in her house for more stuff. I wonder if she's packed. If she's packed already? Because I am not packed. She's already packed. She's ready to go already. What the heck? They have Doritos dips? Is this a Lay product? It is a Frito-Lay product. Where's their onion dip? I have to order someone a Frito-Lay. Well, don't they make it in this one? What the heck? They don't have their onion dip. And that one down there is just a ranch. What's this one? Oh, spicy nacho and Cool Ranch. Look, watermelon. That is cute. This is cute too. Why do you eat Power Strips? Because I'm addicted. I'm addicted to high chews and sour strips now. Oh, sour strips. You don't know what I like? These. These are. Have you ever had these? Have you ever had those Nerds ropes? Oh no, yes I have. Same exact thing. out today. But they are putting the boat in, so let's go watch them put the boat in. Should be fun. Yeah, let's go see. Oh my gosh, I can't even operate this thing. Got it. I hear it going in, I think. That's them over there. What are you doing? Look at you, you look so patriotic. Did I leave you out there? Where is she? Do you see her? Yeah, you can see her. I can see her looking at me, yeah. Hi, Millie Boo. I can see Pen too, yeah. Somewhere. Let's put my beverage down. Amanda's already made some juice. Here it comes. We're in the water. All right, I'm gonna help them get this boat in here.
Is this one for this side?
Two. Hello.
Right?
What up, girl? Good job.
What the fuck are you doing?
Does it hurt? You do it. Say. Does it actually really hurt? It's not that bad. Do it like all at once. Ready? Can I do it? Can I do it? Fine. Oh god, don't hurt me. Don't break my nose. Oh, it kind of does, bitch. If you don't get it on the cartilage, you just get it on your nose. Yeah, it does pinch.
Pull up over there. We can put the trailer over.
I mean, I just like looking at us terrified. That's like, what the hell are you doing? What are we doing, Minnie Bill? Millie, do you want to try it? Do you want to try? Don't put it on a little nose.
Oh, not Millie Boo.
Not the Minnie Boo, no!
Come here, Millie. Get up here. Stay away from them.
She's okay, Pete. She's okay.
There he goes. It's pretty windy today. Uh-oh, here comes Millie. Here she comes, here she comes. Hey, you get up here, young lady. Come on. Come here. She's gonna walk right by you. She'll walk right by you. Yeah, here comes Amelia. The sun's trying to come out here. So we're gonna try to sit in the sun. Amanda's too cool for school.
You're taking that kayak out there and get fish, David.
I might have. It's in the boat. I started.
Go get him, Bob. David went out on the kayak to go see if he can catch anything, so let's go check on him. How's it going? Are you gonna fish?
No, I left the fishing pole up there.
Oh!
I couldn't even get in the boat, let alone fish.
David's getting in trouble from Mom because he doesn't have his life jacket on. Oh, we've got both dogs. Is it cold? It's cold, isn't it?
Millie?
You got it, hon?
Yeah.
Millie, you might have to swim to shore.
Come over here. Let go of that.
Oh, bird! I got you.
Put that life jacket on him.
I tried to reach for the dock to pull myself closer for the pops. And pull myself in.
You can't lean over that far. How cold are you now?
It's not bad right now.
Well, that's funny. I don't care who you are. That's funny.
There you go.
All right, I'm in.
Oh, we gotta bite your spot.
Did you get that on film?
No, I didn't.
I did it so gracefully though. You missed it. I like this road with it. All right, you guys ready? Here we go, pups.
All right, don't whine so I can take you on it.
No, they were doing great.
Good, that's why I'm like, take them on there.
Yeah.
Get used to it. That's what I thought this flat one might be better.
Because they could see out of it? Yeah.
Good job.
Good girls.
Good girl. Sit down.
Why are you whining?
Oh, is it Millie that's whining?
I think so.
This is when the whining commences.
Yeah.
You're doing a good job, Millie Moo.
You're good, have fun.
Good girls. Good girls.
Are you done?
No, they're not done. Take them out. Take them out. Oh my God, David. Oh.
All right.
No, she tipped
You're
over.
all right.
It tipped over and she went in a little bit. two of them have been in.
Just
Hold on,
sit down,
Pete, you're
puppies.
next.
Just sit down.
She's cold now.
Poor Millie.
Like, this damn water's cold.
I'll go get her a towel.
You're like, okay, I'm done.
Are you done? Are you done, Amelia?
Are they coming to shore?
I think so.
Are they
Amelia's
done?
shaking pretty bad. One.
Come on.
Manny, did you fall in? Did you fall
Got a
in,
little
Millie
wet.
Moo? It's a
Got a
little
little
cold,
wet.
isn't it? That's good practice. Penny P's dry. David's not dry.
I'm not trying. What? I didn't lose my glasses though, so that's what I was worried
Yeah,
about.
yeah. Millie says I'm cold. It's starting to clear up a little bit. We still got a little bit of haze in the mountains over here, but you can see the backside of the sleeping giant right now. So this guy here, this is the back of the sleeping giant. Are you serious? David, are you okay? Okay, come here.
What is he doing?
I don't know.
Just come over here.
Come here.
I tried to flip it back over.
Come this way.
Tried to save it.
Maybe he should learn how to kayak before he learns how to kayak and fish.
Yeah.
You want me to take the...
Yeah.
Got it.
How'd you tip over that?
I don't know how I took over that time. Here, let me get this. You can go in the water. Let go.
I'm afraid to go out there.
Come here. Now. Come on. Let's go. I'm going back in. I'm going back up.
All of us are going back up. Let's go.
Come on, Pete.
Really?
There's something else.
Got me on film.
Yeah.
Oh, goodness.
Does it feel good or is it cold? We just got done with breakfast. We had some French toast and bacon, and I cut up some strawberries for us as well. Now we are going out on the lake. It's a little cloudy today, a little windy, little bits of sunshine here and there, so it's a little better than yesterday. And not rainy. We're headed out on the lake. Incidentally, this stain here happened very early in the trip, and this is the only sweatshirt I brought, so just fair warning, it will remain there for the rest of the weekend. Everyone's already down there waiting on me, so I better get going here. This is my first time on the boat. I'm excited.
Probably should unhook the ropes.
We should maybe unhook the ropes, huh? We're not gonna go very far if we don't do that. We're gonna go to the back because David hasn't ever seen anything.
I haven't.
Later, we just had dinner. We just went on a little walk. We have a lot of family and friends here, so we kind of just been hanging out with them. I went on the tube today. Got my little rubber duck tube out, and it's been storming all night.
We saw a freaking lightning strike a tree up here on this hill behind us. I don't know how well you can see.
Oh yeah, we saw lightning strike like we saw a lightning strike on that hill. We're not even exaggerating. It was so close. And a little smoking tree too.
Yeah, the tree started smoking after it got hit.
So we're just going for a little walk out on the dock in between thunderstorms.
It actually looks like it might stay clear now.
Yeah, I think tomorrow is supposed to be a lot more clear. We'll hang out tomorrow, most likely go out on the boat again. Hopefully it'll get warm enough this time that we'll actually want to jump in. The water's a little cold, so I'm not sure how.
59 is what we were reading on the fish finder on the boat.
Yeah.
I jumped in. It was cold. I was not in for more than like 2 seconds, but I jumped in, I braved it.
Been a good day though. Didn't get to film as much as I would have liked just because we have other people here, so. But tomorrow will be a little more chilled and laid back before we go back to work on Tuesday. Well, you go back on Wednesday.
I go back Wednesday, but that's just how my schedule
So yeah,
works.
we're just gonna take a little walk here, see what we can find. Baby bunny. He's so cute.
Day 3, well, day 2 with no shower. I swam in the lake yesterday though, so that counts, right?
Yeah, we can count it.
Okay, cool. So I haven't had a shower yet today though.
Did they get something over there? They did get something.
They've got a net around it.
They got some fish over there. We've just been cleaning up around here this morning mostly.
Tearing stuff down.
So I don't know if we're gonna take the boat out or not. We'll see. But if not, we got the rest of the day at home.
Yeah,
We're kind of just playing it by ear.
Go see the kittens, see how they're doing. Make sure they haven't torn the place apart.
We're gonna go try to catch some fish.
Not fighting. It's a walleye.
It's not fighting, it's a walleye? Here to bite our fingers off.
Yeah.
Is it seriously a fish?
Yeah. See it moving?
Do I seriously have a fish?
Yeah, you got a fish.
I caught that!
See?
I caught him!
Well, here, reel him in.
I'm gonna reel him in!
Fucking give me the goddamn key.
Grab it. There he said.
I got a fish! Come on, fishy. We're gonna let you go. Look at him!
Oh, it's a trout.
It's a trout!
That's a pretty big fish.
Oh my gosh, I got a fish!
Okay, well, bring him over here. Would you bring him over here?
It's too heavy!
Nice. Good job, Megs.
Nice! We'll let you go, fishy.
Way to
Wow!
go. You got him right in the top lip, too.
Good boy, fishy.
Good job, Megs. Smile.
Okay, slack.
Give him some slack.
Y'all put one in that thing already?
We're not keeping it. We'll throw it.
I think,
You want
I
to
don't
keep
want
it?
to touch it. I want to take a
Okay,
picture
Dave,
with it.
take a picture.
All right, we got it. Here, video. Good job, Megan Marie.
Thank you. Another trout. This is another trout. Come on, buddy.
Okay, now look
Woohoo!
down. Look
Good
down.
job,
So
Amanda.
when you start losing line, you can tighten this up.
Uh-huh.
That's a nice one.
That's a good one, Amanda. Oh, God.
Everybody
Careful,
get
man.
cameras.
Everybody get their cameras out.
Okay, relax, relax.
Holy, that's a good one, Amanda. I think that's better than mine.
Dude, I'm gonna let you go.
I'll let you go.
Dude.
Is he still flipping up?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Oh, no.
Okay, guy. Relax. Amanda, give me some slack.
Yeah. You got it, Amanda. Good job. Good job,
Measure him out.
Amanda.
Measure him out. How long does he measure?
No, man, gonna grab the whole thing.
It slapped you. Good job, Amanda.
You wanna touch it?
No, I'm good now. There she goes.
All right.
She still seems a little stressed. She's going. There she goes. Yeah. Would you like it out of your pants?
Listen, when you get a fish, let your father have some slack.
I asked you if you wanted some.
Yeah, mine is.
Oh, look at it. You got another one. Look at him. He's right there. Oh, this one's smaller. Another trout, though.
Okay, you're good now. No more reeling.
Good job, Amanda. We just got done fishing. Amanda got 2 trout, I got 1. We kind of messed with the idea of going out and trolling, but I'm glad we did because then those are the only 3 fish that we caught today. It got a little choppy. It might rain a little bit. I don't know if you can see that, but so we are pulling the boat out now. My dad went to go grab the boat to load it up, and my job is to sit here in park with my foot on the brake. It's probably a job for the most useless person in the group, but I can handle that. So yeah, we're gonna get the boat out and then probably head home. But yeah, it was a good weekend of hanging out with family. and friends and fishing, but we'll probably go home, have some dinner, and then just get ready for the week, get ready for the work week. Be a short 3-day work week for me because obviously I have Fridays off, so. Oh,